Shankha Mudra meaning shell. So how we practice this mudras? The thumb in between the right palm, left thumb between the right palm, clasp the fingers across the left thumb. Turn the left palm over such that the tip of the middle finger touches the tip of the thumb. This is Shankha Mudra. You can see it actually looks like a shell. And why apply this mudra? Actually, this mudra has a very good effect on our whole digestive system. You know, the digestive system, the way it moves through the stomach and then all the intestines and then the large intestine, it is actually shaped like a shell. And when we adopt this posture, this mudra, we are actually improving the functioning of the digestive system. So the Shankha Mudra also helps us improve the functioning of the respiratory system. So how this mudra is to be placed? You can all adopt the mudra and it is placed in front of the chest. The mudra on front of the chest. You can close the eyes. If this is very uncomfortable, you can keep it on your lap, but the chest is the best place to hold Shankha Mudra. Just close your eyes and meditate upon this mudra. The thumb clasped by the fingers. The fingers joining on top, middle and finger and thumb. Visualize the shape of a shell. Now visualize your whole digestive system toning, regularizing, allowing any disorders to flow away. Purifying the whole digestive system. Working on the lungs, improving our lung capacities, and smoothing out the whole respiratory system. Complete awareness on Shankha Mudra. Gently release this mudra and relax.